If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on Samsung Galaxy A17, then the answer is unfortunately no, especially if you use Google Messages. In this case, if you try to remove a conversation or a message, then you have this window where it says that this is permanent. So if you decide to remove it, it will be gone forever. However, if you use any other messaging app, then there is a chance that you actually can recover. And for example, in the past, we also had the Samsung Messages app, which we can still install by using the Galaxy Store over here. And we can use that app in order to be able to recover deleted messages. So over here, we can search for Samsung Messages. There we go. And you want to install this one over here. Once you install it, you can open it, allow all the access, of course, and we need to press OK over here to switch to the default app. So this new Messages, the Samsung Messages app, will be used by default. And now over here, if you try to delete something, you can do so, and then it is moved to trash. So now in order to recover it, you can, I believe, tap over here into these three dots to find trash, and then you can recover like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.